So the Reliability Summit for myself and my team is taking and building upon the skills that we have around fluid management, asset management, driving an overall better health for our fleet, and sitting through the courses that are put on around coolant and proper sampling, and it's really just us building our knowledge.
This has opened up our eyes huge to the things we've been missing out for many, many years, and we see a lot of capture here with other people from around the rest of the world, which is a great thing to mingle with, and capturing ideas and the way they do things and working with other people, networking, is making us realize actually how far we are behind in the oil analysis side of our business. And this has been really a great informative session for us to come to and learn from others.
Knowledge is everything, right? So if you don't understand basic concepts around lubrication, fluid analysis, in the industry I'm in fluid cleanliness, you really can't adopt the solutions that are out there. So you really need to understand, and the educational content of this summit has been tremendous.
So visiting the laboratory for Polaris was critically important, because now I understand from start to finish, from the time the sample is taken, how it's packaged, shipped, received, and how it's analyzed. Helps me better understand my roles and responsibilities as well as my team's.
The organization, the communication, everything, how every department works so well together with each other, and we were like a little bit surprised with that. And again, we've never seen an oil analyzing lab like that ever. It was a big shock for us, and we was very, very impressed.
My goal with the Polaris Summit is to come back, look at the different curriculum and find things that allow us to build on our program, but also to bring in people that we might not be able to get every year. With a large group of people that we have in our maintenance group, we're cycling through some people. So it's nice to have people that haven't previously come and be, newbies, and really get that understanding of the why.
I think it's important for companies to send their employees. Generally, not everyone is aware of what we exactly do in the fluid analysis program. And then if you sent someone last year, maybe send someone else this year, because it's better to have as many hands on the same project and be aware of the current problems and better practices to fix it.
So the importance of companies can't be understated. It's critically vital to the importance of your reliability and your maintenance program. Day and a half that I've had here, and I look forward to the rest of the day, pay dividends from my company.